What's up, people? It's your favorite stand-up guy, K Factor, and today I'm gonna be telling you a few tricks as to how to make your first $1,000 doing Uber or Lyft or both. When I first started Uber, I didn't know what realistic number, or rather, what realistic sum of money I wanted to be making from this app, because as it was, I was working full time, and I just wanted something on the side to just help out with a few extra bucks. So yeah, I went ahead, did a process for Uber and everything. So for you just starting out, I don't know about people that might have been doing this, or maybe you're not doing this often enough to be making that much amount of money. But I'm gonna tell you how I made my first $1,000. Okay, so the first way you can make money from Uber is when you first start up, right? The sign-in bonus, or the referral bonuses from the sign-in bonus or the referral bonus from whoever referred you. They make some money, and you're gonna get some money as well. And they probably would give you a target to meet a certain number of rides for you to get that money. And if you don't get up to that amount of money from making those amount of rides, which was the case for me, they're gonna balance it out with however amount of money, how much money they promised you in the first place, right? So that's the first way you can quickly make anywhere from $250 to $500, right? The second way you can do this is by having both Uber and Lyft on at the same time to see whichever one gives you rides, right? So sometimes there's gonna be space in between where you're not getting any rides from Uber, or you're not getting any rides from Lyft if you're doing only Lyft. And this is like dead time, right? This is just you're just chilling out, or you're just hanging out, but you want to work, right? You want to make money. So it's best if you double your chances. That's all I can say about that. Double your chances. Leave both apps on. When you get a ride for one, you end up closing the other app, going offline on the other app, so that you don't get other requests from that other app while you're on a trip, or while you're going to pick somebody up. You don't want that, because if you keep doing that enough times, and you keep having to miss or decline rides, your acceptance rate is going to go down, which might affect your Uber platform in general. So yeah, that's a second tip I want to give to you. The third tip is, also, you can do the same thing with Lyft, because Lyft also has things like streak bonuses, and Lyft also has promotion offers. You have to do one at a time, right? So if you're starting both at the same time, Uber and Lyft, you have to complete the promotion bonuses first for Uber and then go to Lyft, because you don't want to be doing them at the same time, because guess what? You might come into trouble with that, because you're going to be short of the rides from each platform, because you're going to be doing Uber, then Lyft. Uber depends on how often the rides come, right? You're going to end up doing one less than the other. But if you just want to focus on one goal, you're going to end up achieving it quicker or sooner than you think. One thing I for sure really enjoy about Uber is I get to drive to places that I've never been before, and streets, and cities that I probably would never visit. And sometimes I see the most beautiful places, and it's really amazing. I can't even lie. That's one good thing, I would say, on top of the money and the earnings. That's one good thing. I get to just explore my city, and yeah, it's great. Remember, guys, it's all about working smart, not necessarily about working hard. Smarter is better than harder. Okay, so do your thing, make that money. It's been your boy, your it's been your favorite stand-up guy giving you these tips. Use them wisely and go make some money. You heard?